So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till we see more sound settings. You're going to click on this. And now you're going to select your speakers. And now you're going to click on the enhancements tab. Make sure you have disable all enhancements selected. You're going to select disable all enhancements and then click on apply and click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in run. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and click on enter. And now this will come up. You're going to click on next. Wait for this to load. And then once we get to this stage, you're going to click on apply this fix. It will then tell you to restart your PC. Click on next. If you get this, click on enable. See if it finds anything else that will fix your problem. And then once we get to this stage, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.